Well, today's starting off good, isn't it? Sitting in the new Skyline, boys. This sucks. Why is it auto? It's kind of cool. Oh, it has USB. Oh my god, it has USB-C. That's cool. All right, maybe this thing just earned some credit. Where's the start button? Could I just drive off this platform and start driving? It's kind of cool. It's actually really nicely and spacious. It's got too many doors on the... Wait, is that AC vents in the side there? Okay, this is kind of cool. Those speakers. What's the glove box? Ooh, yo, it's like Alcantara. Very cool. Dash is all leather. This looks kind of cool. No, that's super unique. Yeah, all right. I kind of dig this. This would be a nice daily car, hey?
No, I'm
no.
an RX-8.
Oh my god, enough with the RX-8 crap. Still, very cool. All right, so I asked if we could pop the hood, and they said yes. So this is the, what, the VR30 DDTT, maybe? No, it's not. It's naturally aspirated. This is a hybrid version. Damn it. So this isn't the cool twin turbo one.
VQ35HR.
It's a VQ35HR?
Yes.
It's 60 grand. Isn't it insane that this is cheaper than like a V-Spec 34 GTR? Or even some stock standard R34 GTRs are more expensive than this. That's crazy. Looks kind of nice though. Can I get my hand down there to change spark plugs? No.
Oh look, Sam, it's the SR.
Oh yeah. Oka-chan would be proud. Very cool. Gundam vending machine, anyone? Oh, and they're selling like Gundam themed coffee. Oh, Georgia. It's made by Georgia. Of course it's done by Georgia. The best coffee in a can here. And look, even the girls are in like Gundam themed kind of stuff. All right, we need to get a Gundam themed coffee, I think. Coffee time? Babe, we could do ASMR coffee time with Gundam themed coffee.
I want the Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan? I'm a terrible YouTuber. I just realized we didn't do an intro. So today, we are in Roppongi. Crazy spider thing behind us. We're at Roppongi Hills. We're gonna be checking out, what are we checking out? Nice and loud?
The Attack of Titans Museum.
A bit louder.
Attack of Titans Museum.
One more time.
Attack of Titans Final Museum.
All right, so we're gonna be singing Sasageo. Sasageo, is that it? Sasageo? We're gonna be singing that all day.
Shinzo Sasageo.
Shinzo Sasageo. Heart, and Sasageo means like give your heart, like sacrifice yourself. Wait a minute.
That's why they do this, to show.
So the reason why they're doing this, I guess, is because Emerald Mountain Blend has been around for 25 years. All right, let's go. I think they're gonna want to give us a special bag, but I want to drink it right away. We're gonna get this one. I mean, who wouldn't? RX-782, right? Ah, 袋いらない、大丈夫です。はい。Ah, 大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。Oh, we didn't even get the right one. It's random. No. Oh, I feel less bad than about having to drink this, but I have gum in my mouth, so let me spit that out first. All right, lads, time for ASMR coffee time. Woo! Let's do it. You know what? I'm definitely more of a premium kind of guy, but still, nonetheless, Gundam themed, right? You enjoying your mugicha?
Yeah.
If you guys don't know what mugicha is, it's kind of like barley tea. It's kind of nice. Ice cold mugicha is the best.
And caffeine free.
Yeah, that's right. Anything else you want to tell us about it?
It's got 670 millimeters. What are you pointing?
May is so excited about going to this Attack on Titan expedition. I'm just a teeny bit excited too though, low key. So we're in line to go into the museum and they have a poster here that says that you can experience and taste and try the food from the Attack on Titan anime series. Might have to give that a go. We're about to head in soon. You excited? Look, even the staff are cosplaying here. Hang on, look. Even the staff cosplay. This is great. Where's your cosplay?
At home.
Ooh, this is so cool. You get to see like the artwork, the original stuff. Very cool. Like it even has like the printing lines and stuff on it for the margin. Mm-hmm. It's very cool.
And
so
write the lines in pencil, like.
Oh yeah, like it's actually written in pencil. Hey, Oh, you can see the whiteout there too, where they've made corrections. That's so cool. So the way this kind of works is you get to pick 2 sides. So we're in door number 2, which is all themed on learning about everything outside of the wall and what happened out there. So all the story here is about that, and eventually they merge together. So it's a way of them making more money, so people want to go to the same event like twice, so that you can go experience inside the walls. So it's very cool. But we'll keep going as we long, and every time something cool comes out, I'll pull the camera out and film it. But yeah, they're totally fine with pictures and film in this expedition too, so that's kind of cool. I might YouTube look up the other side later. Hey look, it's Annie. I wonder what happened to her. We haven't seen anything from her in like 2 seasons. And she's obviously going to come back in the final one. I still can't get over this artwork, like how good it looks. The reflection kind of makes it look crappy, but it's very cool. Who remembers this scene? That's pretty cool to see the artwork up close. Very cool. It's also really cool how they use the whiteout. Like, is that paint or is that whiteout that they use for the effects on that? It's so cool. It looks like whiteout, hey?
It's whiteout.
Right?
Yeah.
It's amazing how they use that, and then that's just scanned and printed. So cool. You getting emotional?
Yeah, the soundtracks.
Oh yeah, they got the soundtracks going. I love these. I want some of these hanging from our roof in our house. How cool are that? Little hanging titans. Yo, I hope you guys have all seen the latest season, because there's some spoilers here. That was an insane scene in the anime. A little bit too late, Levi. You nearly had his head off. Seriously though, hanging titan from the roof. Who wouldn't love that? I think that's my thumbnail right there. Look at that. Such a good photo. This is pretty insane. Look how big the screen is. Oh, ho, 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 ho. That's so cool. I'm putting the camera down now. Well, that was pretty cool. Definitely an experience. What did you think? Cool? Were you unhappy about the spoilers?
No.
No?
They only have like only 2 episodes to watch.
Yeah, there was a lot of spoilers there for the final season as well, and they let you only listen to certain parts of the final episode of the entire series, which is kind of interesting. Anyways, yeah, it was cool. I just wish they didn't make us stand up for like the whole hour and a half it takes you to get through there, because everyone else in front of you is like super crazy and like non-stop just taking pictures and filming and reading, like, I don't know, like they would stay in front of one thing for like 30 minutes if they could, you know? Otherwise though, it was really cool. I really enjoyed it. I'd give it a, like, it's changing now to another one, right? Aren't they changing it?
Yeah, they have like 2 seasons, I guess, for the museum.
Yeah, so it's gonna change, like, and that's why it was super busy today, because today's the last day for the current way they have it set up, and it's all changing all over again from like next weekend. So should be interesting. Should we go again next weekend to see the next version?
Yeah, I don't mind.
It's not that expensive. It's like 20 bucks per person.
Whoa, whoa.
Jeez, calm down, mate. You gotta drive slow. All right. Anyways, we're gonna jump in the car, do some highway rips. You ready? Let her rip.
Okay, Sam.
You gotta trust me, mate.
I don't trust you.
Oh boy, we got issues.
Look at that traffic. Guys, look at that traffic. How much traffic there is. If you went on...
That's what brakes are for though.
Your brakes are barely working on the rear.
What are you talking about? I just adjusted them. They're perfect.
Yeah, right.
All right, so a massive time warp ahead. It is now the next day, and I'm just kind of getting out of the house now, doing the usual, shipping off Yoshio factory orders and all that kind of stuff. Plus, after this, I'm going to spend a bit of time at Starbucks doing some bookkeeping work and working on some new designs for stickers and things like that. If you guys haven't grabbed any of the current stickers, I think there's only 2 types available. They're nearly all sold out. So make sure you jump on there, sammit.net/shop. Get yourself the last available ones there. The crab rave ones have definitely been probably the favorite. So grab some more of those before they're all gone. And then after that, we need to get the car ready, because tomorrow I have to take a whole bunch of my spent wheels and stuff like that to Yoshio factory. Got to change them, put some fresh rubber on them, because the day after tomorrow, we're drifting at Tsukuba 1000. Also, there's going to be some cool stuff happening at Yoshio factory, and we may even be able to give you an S15 update tomorrow. Anyways, with that, go into the post office, get this sorted out. Oh, also, Rice and Miata keeps harassing me and telling me I need to start selling Georgia the premium coffee on my online store. So I'm researching that today too. We'll see if we can get away with doing it. Let's do it. Okay, so I was talking to the girls in the post office and they gave me this awesome thing so I can calculate and work out how much shipping's gonna be. So for like America and Australia and stuff like that, this is the category here, right? Now, for sending a single can of coffee to you guys, it's gonna be about 670 yen just in shipping alone. And that's no tracking or anything. So if it gets lost, it gets lost. I can't do anything about that. But that's about like, probably gonna be about $8 to $9 Australian and $6 US. So here's the question. Are you guys going to pay that kind of shipping to just get a single can of coffee from me here in Japan? Now the cans of coffee themselves, they're probably gonna be like $5 each with just like a couple bucks that I'm gonna make for, you know, spending time packaging them, buying them, as well as the materials that I have to package them in so they don't burst and stuff like that, like the slips and everything. So like, you know, if we had a can and we sold it for $5, like you guys are gonna be paying like $12 for a can to get it in hand. Is that something you guys are interested in? And then get this, if I wanted to send a 6-pack of them, right? A 6-pack's about 1.2 kilos. It falls into the 2 kilo category because it's over 1 kilo. It'll be 3,500 yen to ship just a 6-pack. Like that's like nearly 40, that's like nearly, at the current exchange rate, that's like nearly $50 Australian plus US, that's like $32. Like, and then the 6-pack of coffee themselves is probably gonna be like $30 as well. Like $60, I mean, I'm just pulling that number off my head. I don't think it's gonna be exactly 60, it may be a bit less. But would you guys even pay $60 US for a 6-pack of coffee? I don't think so. Hey, I think like that's just, that's like robbery, and I'm not even making like $5 off it. It kind of just doesn't seem like it's worth it. Hey, maybe if I could find, like, get in contact with the supplier and stuff and get like cheap, like, you know, the price that the stores pay for the coffee. But even then, like, you'd have to sell thousands and thousands and thousands of them to make it worthwhile, you know what I mean? Anyways, rant aside, just wanted to let you guys know that's why I don't sell those cans of coffee on my site. Maybe we should. $12 for a can though is what it's gonna cost. Anyways, Starbucks, accounting work, and then packing the car, ready for changing tires tomorrow. Alrighty, just finished up at Starbucks. Gonna head home now. In my backseat full of some stinky tires. They're stinky because I left them out in the rain and they burst, so they're full of water. So I'm gonna have to drain them and do something about that. Anyways, let's go home. And just like that, got the 4 wheels in the back now, and I've also got this other tarp here that we're gonna hang over the one with all the exposed wires, so that when I slam the chair into them so they don't fly around while I'm driving, they don't poke holes or damage anything or rub any of that rust oxidization stuff onto any of my interior. I do kind of still care about this car, like I want it to still look nice and stuff on the inside. As you guys can see, like my interior is in pretty decent condition, so I want to keep it that way. And I mean, the car's only done 90,000 kilometers as well. So it's actually like, it's actually about to just hit 90,000. I just looked at it today and it's at like 89,000 roughly. Yeah, 89,000. So she's still got low Ks, hasn't even hit the 100 mark yet. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys don't mind this video kind of being a bit random, jumping from yesterday till today. Geez, look how dirty my fingers are. The whole reason for that was I actually needed a couple days off, so I shot like 3 videos on one day on the weekend, and that was actually really good for me because I was able to catch up on a bunch of work for Otaku Garage, plus get things sorted out for the competition that's happening in like a week and a half's time, 2 weeks time roughly, and that's Drift Kingdom. I'm doing the beginner challenge there, which is a huge deal for me. I've been freaking out about it, even been getting nightmares about it, and it's just, I think the reason for that is mainly just it looks, you know, like, I know it's just the beginner's challenge and it really doesn't mean anything in the grand scheme of things. It's just starting to get your like, you know, foot in the door of comp. But because it's starting to look like I'm finally, like my dream, my goal with this for like a very long time in my life was to come to Japan and drift and compete over here. And this is the start of it. So it's like finally starting to see like the fruit from that, or like my dream starting to become a reality. And it's like been making me crazy nervous. So yeah, it's been good to take a couple of days off and just try and like sort myself out. But with the comp and everything like that, We're going to be there for the entire weekend. We're actually going to stay at a really cool hotel next to Nikko Circuit, and we're staying with Oka-chan and everything. I'm driving on the first day, and then Oka-chan is competing in the second day, and we're going to be there for it, filming it all, getting inside footage. Kechi Tsuchi is going to be there, so we'll probably end up going to a dinner or something with him. It's going to be insane. So definitely keep an eye out for that content. Plus, who knows, I might win, maybe I'll suck and crash. I don't know, it's just beginner challenge, so there's no tandems, but oh man, I'm so nervous about it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, so sorry about thinking that was a 400R style body kit on that 33 GTR. Turns out it was made by some company called Wise something, and I didn't know that. So all you haters in the comment section that think I should know every single Skyline and every single body kit ever produced for a Skyline, shut up. Seriously, shut up. All right, I just appreciate cars when they look cool, and sometimes I get them wrong. Sometimes I purposely get them wrong to make you guys rage on the inside, which is always a good time. Tell me if you can guess when I do that. That's fun. Sarcasm is real. Peace out, guys.